Hello? Who are you?
Hello, I am Giraffe. Why is your neck so long?
My long neck helps me reach leaves.
Are giraffes very tall?
Yes, I am the tallest land animal.
Can giraffes run fast?
Yes, my long legs help me run fast. Why do giraffes have spots? My spots help me hide in nature.
Why is your tongue so long?
My long tongue helps me grab leaves.
How do giraffes drink water? I spread my legs to reach water. Can baby giraffes walk quickly? Yes. Baby giraffes walk soon after birth. Are giraffe legs strong?
Yes, my legs can kick very hard.
Do giraffes sleep a lot?
No, giraffes sleep very little.
Do giraffes live together?
Yes, we live in groups. I learned many giraffe facts. Subscribe for more animal adventures.